And now we're going to move on to our pretty skirt. Apply interfacing to the wrong side of the back panel of the skirt at the center. The length of the interfacing is about 20 to 25 centimeters. Place the back and the front skirt panels right sides together and pin the side seams. Also, pin the side seams of the lining skirt as well. And sew, then serge the edges. Additionally, serge the center edge of the skirt and the lining. Press the side seams, first as they are, and then turn them to one side, usually the back side of the skirt. To gather the waistline of the skirt, place 2 gathering stitches 4 mm apart, the length of the stitch being 4 to 5 mm. Mark the center front of the bodice and mark the center front of the skirt. Then pin the skirt to the bodice right sides together, matching these marks and the side seams. Then take the threads from the gathered seams and pull, evenly distributing the gathering between these marks. Place the lining bodice and the skirt right sides together and pin at the side seams and the center front. Any extra fabric that you will have at the skirt will form small pleats close to the darts at the back and the princess seams on the bodice at the front. Sew the waistline seam. And sew the lining waistline seam. Press the seam and cool it down. I press my seam towards the bodice. Place the center seams right sides together and check your bodice length, making sure that it's even. Pin at the waistline. Pin down from the waistline at the center seam about 18 to 20 centimeters, marking where our zipper will end. And then do the same thing for the lining. Sew the center seam on the skirt, seam allowances being 2 centimeters on the main skirt and 1 centimeter on the lining. Sew starting from the pin at the 18 centimeter mark below the waistline. And press your seams open.